Okay, how we doing? What's up? Today I want to do a video on Cali. Okay, so yesterday let me close some of the stuff right here. What we got going on? Bloop 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 bloop. It's like the same thing. Bloop. So yesterday I did a video on iStep. All right, amazing swing trade token as well. It's kind of on a plateau now, so you can either honestly, like for me, like I like to swing trade anything. Okay, um, this could be a solid 5% right here. That was a 9. I trade this is like risky. We're trading in a plateau, so it's extremely risky. So I trade that for a 5% right here. Like on the 5 minutes, honestly, actually looks like a good entry. To be honest, I might take this. I might take this in a second here. We'll see what happens. But today I want to talk about Cali. Okay, Cali Kalisa again. I have no idea what this is. I literally no clue. Okay, I tried to figure it. Like last time I took at least a look at the website, and I have a bad habit of just not researching what I'm looking at all. Like literally just nothing. I'm like, oh, a token, cool, and I just trade it. That's not very smart. I just got wrecked doing that a couple times. Um, but on this one, I don't even have the what. Oh, you know what? Actually, I tried to join the Telegram and they just kicked me out. I've actually never seen the. I'm kind of wow. I've never clicked the little web button here before. Wow. Okay, because they aren't on Coin Market Cap. So I guess we're looking at this together. What is this? Um, Kalisa Luxury 3.0 consumed differently. What? I feel like they could have done better color right here. Like, all right, cool. They have a video, but like that that's it. You know what I mean? Like, I don't like to see things that are like copy and pastes type deals. Um, but again, people like this one as well. For whatever reason, like I've seen some crappy projects go. That this has made some people some money. So what is this? Is this like clothes? Please, a video presentation. Let's check it out. Okay, so it's not English. We got that. All right. The usefulness of our token. Why? Okay, that's interesting. Staking payment backed by NFTs. DAO for Cali holders. Where's the DAO? Where's the DAO? They're partnering with Sandbox, dude. I don't get it. I don't get what it is. What you get during a Kalisa drop? Clothes, a physical product. Honestly, if they're real about that, that's kind of cool. I like to see cryptocurrency backed by stuff. An NFT. An NFT will be sent to you as soon as the transaction is completed, or if you wish to keep blah 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 blah. What transaction? I'm so confused. Oh, like if I buy something? Police drop. What? Sold out? Yo, no way these are sold out, dude. Like every single one of them? Sold out? Like all these shirts are sold out. Who is Satoshi? 210,000 euros? No way. No, okay, I'm spending out of stock. There's no one spent that amount of money. The this just doesn't make any sense. It's a little bit off. This kind of does look fire, to be honest. Like I'm spending way too much time on this. But anyway, so I guess it's a thing. Whatever. All I know is that it's zero tax. It's a thing. There's volume, and the moves that you can gain on this are pretty freaking good, if you ask me. Okay, so let's do some technical analysis. What do we see here? So originally, I was informed about this token about here, and RIP my soul because I missed. Oh, actually, yeah, it was about here. RIP my soul, okay, because I sold that 2x. I don't even remember if I even bought it. But I didn't trade this for whatever reason. I don't remember if I slept, I was at work, something, whatever. But cool, that's the thing, right? Um, and then let's see. So we have a 2x right there, and then what does it do? You have this level right here. We see a bounce. Now, personally, what I look for, right? There's a couple ways you could do this. Okay, so we could draw a line about here and just trade the channel and sit here and say, well, we've seen it bounce around at this lower level. Here's kind of lining up with the previous breakout point. All right, I'll take that. And you could set this trade up for probably, if I put my money on this, if I saw the chart where it was about right there, I'd set my stop loss to probably here. Okay, maybe like here for 5%, and I'd set my take at least for a 2 to a 10%, and boop, there it goes. And then you have another opportunity right here where this one's pretty obvious in my book, where it's showing resistance at a previous spot where it drops, and it's telling you, hey, I want to break out of this channel that we've just been forming. And after a couple candles, you can even zoom into the minute chart and say, okay, that's a pretty big candle. I'm going to take my entry about right here and watch it go. All right. So and even afterwards, it formed this falling channel for a while. If you were really wanting to play it safe, you could say, all right, it's breaking out of the channel about here. I'm gonna place my entry about right here. Somewhere in this area. Set up your stop loss to a little bit below the channel, probably about right there would be good at the bottom of that the minor swing low. For a 2.96% stop loss was pretty good. And honestly, I would trade this. A safe bet would be a 5% buy. I'd trade this to like the nearest high for 8%. And there you go. So I'll try not to do too much of that. But the trades are there. The trades are there. And even here, we kind of, what is this? Like I don't know what to call this. It's a scoop. It's a scoop, I guess. You could trade this breakout right here after it hits this, is kind of testing this high. There's just a lot here, okay? A lot here. I love it. I recently traded this breakout right here. Oh my goodness. Jeez and crow. I knew it. I actually sold, okay? And here's the reason why I like this trend. Oh my goodness. If there was any time to buy this, it would be not right now. Like this is a don't buy it. Don't be me. Oh my god. I'm so mad at myself because I wasn't really watching it. I saw it like here and I was like, should I enter? And then I just got distracted. Either way, I'm already in profits today. I took this is what I mean, man. Like there's like this gain right here. This gain right here, okay? That trade that I literally just saw was a 5%. I'm kind of salty at myself, to be honest. But anyway, so I took, let's see, I think I took this entry right here. It was forming, an ascending triangle, which on the minute chart, if there's any chart guys watching this video, you're probably gonna want to slap me right now. Zorn, that is literally 5 candles on the minute chart, and you're gonna call that an ascending triangle? Yes, I am. Okay, it is. It pushed up. You could even call it a flag trend. Okay, it pushed up, had a dip, came back up to the previous point, and what does it do at that point? By the way, where I took my entry, okay, it breaks out. It breaks out. It does it. It does the thing. Okay, good 6%. I actually I held this for a 10%, and I didn't sell at the 10%. I sold like somewhere over here. But yeah, so again, the trades are there. Now let me go. I'll do one last little analysis here. I wanted, right? I wanted to hold that, but couldn't I couldn't do it. I'll be honest with you. It's so volatile. Okay, if you have a decent amount of money in here and you're watching your bag go up and down by 5%, it is so stressful to sit there and just hold it. All right, but let me go over what my thought process was anyway. All right, so we have this long trend, this long downtrend here, relatively long. This is the last one I'll do. I think I'm making this one too long again as well. I'll wrap it up. But this long downtrend for about 6 hours and 30 minutes, following a pretty good trend. Like it doesn't break that line. Okay, all I did for this, to make this trend line here, um, you could either, like if you didn't have the rest of this, right, I like to take this extended here, take a point at the previous high, in the next like swing high or something, whatever, peaks, that's what you call it. And you can see it kind of follows that line. To make it more accurate, I would put it up here, and that's what I did today. And I saw that I was breaking out, and I was like, all right, cool, there's my entry right there. All right, so if we zoom out all the way to the 15-minute, right, what do we see about right there when it breaks out on the MACD? Again, I am a strong believer that indicators can be used on low market caps. Okay, so what do we see? What do we see, right? We see that the MACD is actually gaining, right? It's actually losing its spread towards the upside, right? Which is kind of a divergence. We see a lower low, but it's gaining, it's losing a spread on the MACD. And for further confluence, I guess. Oh, I am so mad right now. Oh man, dude, I called it. Anyway, you could even say that you're seeing some divergence here on the RSI. So that's why I traded this. Honestly, on the 15. I actually made a post about it. I mentioned, yeah, I'm probably going to hold this past. Dang it! What am I doing? What am I doing with myself? I said I was going to hold this past my target, which was a 10%, which I should have. But emotion, man. Emotion gets to you. It's not easy. So the trades are there. A lot of potential for this one, honestly. Like if I'd have to do deeper research on the project itself. But if it is legit, right now we are only 100% higher than where we were when this token launched. Let's see. Oh wow, 24 million. So I don't know. I think this is a good highly volatile swing trade token or day trading token. On BSC at the moment, I think the volatility is going to be there for a while. So yeah, I made this way too long. I'm completely rambling. If you made it this far, I hope you found the information I put here useful. Everything I say here is my opinions, other than the math. Okay, the math is there. The patterns are obvious. We're both seeing those. But no financial advice here. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Be safe. Be safe out there, guys.